Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to disable your Windows Defender on your Windows 11 system. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is jump into the search bar on the bottom over here. We're going to look for settings. Now, once you are in settings on the left hand side, you will have your settings menu items. We're going to look for privacy and security. Right here, we're going to look for Windows security. Once we're in Windows security, you can see that there are a couple options. All right, what we're going to do here is we're going to click on Open Windows Security. It'll open up a new window. This is the Windows Security tab, and you can see that there are a few options here. So from here, we're going to go and look for virus and threat protection on the left-hand side, and you can see there is a scan and some results over here. So if you're going down, you'll see virus and threat protection settings. Let's go and click on manage settings, and here you can turn off and on your real-time protection. This is where it's all happening. So if you want to turn your Windows Security or Defender off, you're going to go ahead and click over here. It'll prompt you and you can just say yes.